Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a date column or how we can insert a date like this on the Google Sheets. So here you can see that the column is filled with date data and how you can create this. I'm going to start a new sheet first. Okay, let's say this. Okay, what you need to do is just change the format. So if you type in the date, for example, I'm going to like this, it will be just right as this. So what you need to do is just change the format of the column. So just block, you can block the whole column like this or only the selected columns that you want. I'm going to go with this, go to format, here, go to number and change the format into date. Click on this. So let's try to add the date. So it will be changed automatically into the dates format like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial.